Hey, hello everyone. Good morning again, and again welcome you to my channel. And I'm really sorry for not being able to make the videos for quite some time now. I am resuming my work, and there are some good books that I have read during this time, and I'm very pleased to share with you the reviews or the summary of the books that I have read. So as you can see, next book for review is The Booming Digital Stars, which are 11 inspiring journeys from India's creator economy. Basically, the creators that have been discussed in this book are Yashraj Mukhate, Ranveer Allahabadia, Nikunj Lotia, Bhuvan Bam, Team Nach, Kavita Singh, Ujjwal Chaurasia, Prajakta Kohli, Ashish Chanchalani, Madan Gauri, and Abhimanyu. This book is by Harsh Pamanani and Manish Pandey. So just let me give you a basic takeaway from the book that these are the figures you may have heard of many of them, or you may be watching the videos because you are on YouTube watching my book review. So definitely you'll be knowing some of them, but some are new. Uh, uh, so what are the basic key takeaways from whatever the interviews were done with these persons? Some were having a background that helped them, some were really in a very miserable situation, as has been mentioned in the book. So what are the key takeaways that have been mentioned in the books that you need to know? These are the basic commons, and I am just summarizing them for you. So first is that you should have a passion for figuring out that in which area would you like to make your videos, first thing. Second is that whenever you are making your videos, you should keep on posting. It's like don't give a break, as I have given in my channel. That is the thing that should not be done. You should actually keep on posting, because you never know that which of your videos will go viral. And dedication and passion are the thing that you should have for your work that you do. And apart from that, you should have patience for the work that you are doing, right? Now after that, it is like the people who have worked, or the people who have grown successful in digital marketing, are the people who have actually worked quite well in their niche area. Niche area is basically a specific area in which you want to work, so you should start working on your niche areas before developing into greater audiences. Then try to differentiate, because there's intense competition in the YouTube space, so try to differentiate. And your team with which you are working will also matter a lot, because that is you should elevate them, try to elevate them. Then you should try to partner with people who value your work. It's like people won't understand your work. Many of the people would never understand your work. So not everyone is born with a silver spoon. Next thing is that it's like if you're not having actually a very good background, or things are not moving, so that is a thing that hardly matters. There are a number of creators, successful creators from this 11, who had a very tough start. So that is the thing. Then you should try to engage with your audience. It's like don't create things that are completely out of uh, not it is not understandable to people. Then you should always try to learn, and you should try to improve yourself continuously. Then if a positive criticism is coming, then you should accept it. It helps you to develop a better matter or a better video next time. And the more you will struggle in the start, the more you will become stronger, because failures are, there will be setbacks, there will be surprises, there will be failures in your journey of digital content. So you should not sit down with these. There will be number of failures, if not one. So it's like you never know which one will work, so you should keep on working, keep on engaging, and keep on improving. Then try to face your rejections and learn and get up again. Then think of your content from the audience perspective. It's like what audience would like to see. Basically, if you're working in a niche like comedy, then you need to know what is ongoing, which is the most recent or the most popular trend that is happening. Then you should build your confidence, keep your confidence in a good form. Don't let it be shattered with a negative feedback that you are getting for one video, or maybe people are you are losing your subscribers and everything. then basically everyone says that your content matters. If your content is good, people will return to your channel. That is a thing. Then protect the trust that you have earned. Don't play with your trust if you have earned with the audience. Like if you're going in for a paid promotion or you're promoting something, then kindly inform it beforehand that it is a paid promotion that is happening. Then you should work hard, you should have belief in yourself, you should be consistent, and you should always have a bigger vision for your channel. Then you should not think of short term gains, you should always think for long term gains. It's like it's better that you have uh, long term gains. Then surprises will always be there, so be ready for that. Then try to meet the achievers who are performing well in digital and in other areas, so that uh, it's good to be in their company. You get to know number of things. And finally, it's like you should have some role models in your life, so that helps you to work more progressively. Seeing them, you get encouraged and motivated to work in your field. So that is it from this takeaway. These are basically not my points, these are the points that have been given in the book by these content creators. And it's a quite good book. You get to know number of platforms from this book. And if you are thinking of doing something good in the digital world, YouTube world, or the social media world, then this book is definitely for you. So hands up. And it's a good book. And that is all I have for my review. So I'll be returning with some more books. I have read for some more books. So I'll be posting the videos quite often now. So thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing and sharing.